Hello everyone! Let's learn how to create this kind of photo manipulation in Photoshop. So, first, open your image of a camera in Photoshop. Now, select the elliptical marquee tool and start making the selection of the inner round of the camera. Once the selection is done, then right-click and choose Layer via Copy. Drag and drop the second image here, then press Ctrl+T and scale it. Reduce the opacity of this image, and now scale it in such a way that the main subject is aligned with the lens of the camera. Increase the opacity to 100%. Now, right-click on the image layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask option. Right-click on the image layer again and choose the duplicate layer. Then right-click and choose Release Clipping Mask. Reduce the opacity of this layer. Now select the polygonal lasso tool and the make selection of the railway track like this. Once the selection is done, create a mask. Increase its opacity to 100%. Now, create a levels adjustment layer. Here, adjust the sliders to create a good contrast in the image. We are done here. Let's see the final result. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.